What's up, everybody? I'm back. I know it's been a long time since you had a video from me. I've been on a little vacation, man, a little mini vacation. But look, because I was on vacation, I had to take this thing with me. Now, let me put the box right here, show us some respect. Now, normally when I go on a little vacation, I like to take my UE Wonder Boom with me because it's pretty small, it has a great sound, and it has a 360 sound. It just sounds great and it's super portable. That's pretty much it, right? I tested this out the day before we left for vacation, and I was so amazed by the sound and compactness of this thing, if that's a word. I kicked the UE Wonder Boom out and traveled with this thing only. This is the DOS Ego, and it's called the Ego because it has a special feature built in. But let's take a look around this thing first. So on the front here, you got your DOS logo right here, and you got a DOS logo right here, but it's not overly done, so I really appreciate that from DOS. And then it's wrapped with this waterproof nylon material. It's like dust resistant and waterproof, and it does float in case you drop it in the water or something like that. On the sides, you got your end caps, and we'll open this flap up in just a second. But on the front, you got your power button, your play and pause, you got your plus and minus for the tracks and the volume. Then you got a little speaker right here, or a mic rather. And then you have this button with a little microphone on it right here because that's where the special feature comes in. It has Amazon Alexa built in, but you do have to download the DOS Ego app to interface with it. Now let's go around the side, and this will be the end of the walk around. So you open this flap up right here. Then you have your micro USB charging port, and then you have your 3.5 millimeter auxiliary, and then you have your micro SD card slots. So you can put a micro SD card in there and still get your jam on. Now, as far as the 3.5, man, I'm not real sure why they still include these things on Bluetooth speakers. Hello, they're Bluetooth speakers. I get it, the battery runs down, but these things have such great battery life. This one gets up to 8 hours, I think, and it doesn't take forever to charge either. So I don't know, maybe that's just, I don't know. Some people are gonna be mad at me for saying that, but in Bluetooth speakers, I'm not real sure whoever uses the 3.5 millimeter anymore. But that's the end of the walk around. Now we got to get into this thing and see how it sounds. So before we get started in a sound test, I want to demonstrate the Amazon Alexa feature. So you could just go ahead and turn this thing on. You get 3 tones. That's the on. That's, I think, maybe the connection, or it's searching or something. And that's a Windows sound, but that's how you know it's connected. So you download the app. It's called DOS Ego. And let me see, I got mine already downloaded. It is connected. And it gives you all kinds of stuff. It gives you all kinds of prompts to get started. And it says, wait for your device to connect. And it is connected. So now I have all this Amazon Alexa stuff on my phone right here. All this information. It's 70 degrees in Cyprus, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, all kinds of weather information. So let's just say your phone is not reachable at the moment and you need some information like, I don't know, how hot it is outside or something like that, even though you're already outside. Let's say it's blazing hot and you want to just know how hot it is. What's the temperature outside today?
Right now, it's 71 degrees. Today, expect a high of 87 degrees.
And then if you want to play some music from Amazon Music or something like that, all you have to do is tap the button. Hey, play some music. Oh, snap. I think it's very That's right. On top. So yeah, it pretty much functions just like your Echo Dot would or your Echo would, with the exception of you have to press that button. It's not always listening to you. But let's say you got this thing hooked up to Bluetooth. So let's go into my playlist with my copyright-free music via Ryan Little. We're at max volume.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Let's go into one more. Let's go into one more.
Ryan Little.
All right, man. There's your sound test. Look, this little thing bangs. And you definitely get a lot of bang for the buck. This is ridiculous, man. I'm so happy I have this speaker now. It worked out great on my trip just to have some music in the hotel. We didn't crank it up all the way or nothing like that. But even if you turn this thing up at full volume, you're not going to hear a bunch of distortion or anything like that. The vocals and the mids come out great. You can hear the highs, and it definitely packs a little thump. I mean, manage your expectations. It's not going to be booming or nothing like that. Look, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff, but this little thing thumps. And now if you're looking for a great speaker that'll fit anywhere and give you some great sound, the DOS Ego is the way to go. See what I did there? Anyways, man, I gotta get out of here, but before I do, make sure you tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.